Hey there and welcome. I'm so happy you are here and I can't wait to go on this journey with you. If you ever wanted to get paid to write, have more freedom in your life or do something creative that actually makes money, this course is for you. This course is called Write Your Way to Freedom, the Ultimate Freelance Guide. That means by the end you'll have what you need to start or grow a freelance writing career. Even if you're a total beginner, you'll find clear steps to move forward with confidence. So what you will learn? Let me break it down. First, we will cover the basics. What is freelance writing, what types of writing jobs are out there, and how do you pick ones that fit you best. Next, you'll build your writing skills. We'll talk about how to tell great stories, how to write for the web, and how to create content that both clients and readers love. Then we'll go into the business side. You'll learn how to set your prices, find clients, send pitches, and deal with contracts. I also show you how to build strong, lasting relationships with the people you work with. You'll also learn how to make your own professional website. Even if you are not great with tech, it's easier than you think, and I'll walk you through it step by step. We'll talk about real-life challenges too, like feeling stuck, dealing with slow times, or handling tough clients. You'll learn how to stay strong and keep going. And finally, I've added some bonus lectures and resources to help you stay focused, motivated, and moving forward. By the time we finish, you won't just know what to do, you'll feel ready to do it. So let's get started, let's dive in.